Good morning children. Hope you are all well in your homes. Today we are going to start adverbs. Adverbs are very important part of speech and adverb can be defined as a boosting word. It can boost adjective, then prepositions, conjunctions, verbs and even adverbs also. For example, if I say she sings nicely. Nice is an adjective which is turned to adverb by adding ly. But this sentence, she sings nicely, can be more boosted. You know how? She sings very nicely. Now here the adverb very is boosting the adverb nicely. So let us start. So, adverbs. An adverb is a word which generally qualifies a verb, adjective or another adverb. But it also qualifies a sentence or any part of speech except a noun and a pronoun, as I have mentioned this earlier only. Now let us see how it qualifies. For example, first we will see this sentence, he walks slowly. So in this sentence we see that the verb walks is qualified by adverb slowly. Again you see this is a very beautiful picture. Here the word beautiful, which is an adjective, is qualified by the adverb very. Now next you see this can be done more easily. Here the adverb easily is qualified by another adverb more. Now next sentence, it is a very charming scene. Here the word charming, which is a participle, is qualified by the adverb very. He came right through the field. Now here through is a preposition which is qualified by the adverb right. Conjunction. I hate him simply because he is a liar. Conjunction because is qualified by the adverb simply. Now again you see this one, which is very important. Full sentence. Unfortunately I failed. Evidently you are wrong. Here the adverbs are qualifying the sentence. Now adverbs are subdivided into many classes. For example, adverb of time, which shows when or how often a thing happens. Suppose the words now, then, when, early, always, before, daily, ever, never, soon, while, ago are all used as adverb of time. Next is adverb of place. Place denotes where the thing happens. For example, the words there, where, hither, thither, near, above, after, below are used in this consequence. Now, adverb of manner or quality. This show how a thing is done. The words well, badly, ill, allowed, thus, wisely, quickly, how, high are used as adverb of manner. This is the largest class of adverbs and in it are included nearly all the derived form adjectives and ending in ly, carefully, narrowly, dutifully, all. That means in adverb of manner we have the maximum number of adverb words and mostly are derived from adjective words. Let's suppose beautiful plus ly. It becomes beautifully. Beautiful is an adjective and when we add ly it becomes adverb. Now, adverbs of quantity or degree or number. This show how much or till what extent the thing happens. So you see here adverbs, mostly adverbs of manner and adverbs of quality are compared like adjectives with er and est, more and most or irregularly. So we will see here, this you have done in the earlier classes also, but we will again make a quick recap. Adverbs of one syllable form their comparative and superlative by adding er and est. For example, fast becomes faster and fastest. Soon becomes sooner and soonest. Late becomes later and latest. Long becomes longer, longest. Hard becomes harder, hardest. Slow becomes slower, slowest. Again you see here some words which already have ly in them. Suppose slowly, rapidly, quickly, they already have ly. Then we are not going to add another ly. What we are going to do? We are going to add most or least. Slowly becomes more slowly, most slowly. Then or less slowly, least slowly. Wisely becomes more wisely, less wisely, or most wisely or least wisely. So here we see that the word more, most and less, least function as comparative and superlative degree along with the word with ly respectively. But there are some words which do not fit in this category. Suppose early, it has ly in the end, but when we make it comparative, it becomes earlier. And when we make it superlative, it becomes earliest. Again, some adverbs are there. Some adverb forms of comparatives and superlatives are irregular. That means they don't remain the same. Suppose if we go through, well or good are in positive form. But when they go to comparative form, they change to better. And superlative form is best. Little becomes less and least. Much becomes more and most. Fourth becomes further and furthest. Many adverbs do not have any comparative form. They are now, then, here, there, once, already, almost. Since both adjectives and adverbs have the characteristic of comparison, we shall have to consider the function to distinguish between the two. We have to learn how to distinguish between the two. Adjectives will make comparison about nouns and adverbs will make comparison of verbs, adjectives and other adverbs. Hope you all have understood. So let us end here. Go through the notes given and complete the assignment.